Did you see that? Now that's true leadership. Oh, PCBs. This guy's very good, man. Look at it. You see, that's the thing with leadership. It's not always just about falling down. It's mostly about standing back up again. Never giving up. Now that's what being a captain is all about. Back to base, boys. Let's go, let's go. Let's go! Move, I want you to see me, mama. Come on. Get busy. Get too quick. Let's go. Busy. Let's go. One step. Come on, move it. Hold. Press.
You know, people think I'm on this team because of coach, because of destiny, and maybe my uncle, but mostly destiny. See, these flowers, I got it for my girl. Hey, baby! Woo! Yeah. You know, at least I got my flowers, you know, before you. I'm gonna go give this to her.
You know who's been carrying this team since under 13? This guy, me, Taboo. And all of a sudden, this oak right here, bro, he comes in with his purple burning uncle doing his witchcraft stuff, and all of a sudden, he's captain now. He's captain. It's ridiculous, bro. It's ridiculous. Let me tell you something, eh? Can't compete with bloody ancestors. Can't do that.
Told you. Come on. What the hell was that? What was that? Get back over there. Get into formation. Take a deep breath. Get out of yourself. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Come on. There's a forward pass. There's also a forward pass. Ken, give the ball back to Sab. Give the ball back to Tabo. Tabo, clean this time. Okay, guys, I want you guys to contest for the ball, okay? Aubrey, get the ball from Tabo. Tabo, defend, okay? Break down ball contest. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Come on, boys. Get the ball. Come on, Mr. Beans, get the ball, Aubrey. Get the ball. Try harder. Come on, get the ball. Look at Tabo's not even sweating. Push. Come on, man. Come on.
Man. Aubrey CBs. Now, that's what I'm telling you about our next most beautiful player in the world. You know this guy reminds me of myself. Back when I was still a young 8-man position, also playing the rugby squad. It's not always about the speed. It's not always about the strength. You know the spirits. It's all about the spirits. And that's what I like the most about Aubrey CBs. See that young man over there, that fine young man? No one will tell him nothing, absolutely nothing. So I do, in my heart, believe that Aubrey CBs is a future. Humble to speak, humble to speak.
No, Aubrey, this is enough now, bro. This is enough now. You can't keep pouring your voodoo, sangoma, Muthi stuff here, bro. You need to stop with this, eh?
It's vitamins. It's for the soil. It's for keeping the earth.
Vitamins, my foot. Vitamins don't smell like goats.
What's going on now here, gents? What's going on now, gents?
No, coach, he keeps pouring nonsense here.
Uyabona lo u-Aubrey umshanami umfana kadadewethu uyabo into eyenzeka la umfana ngamphupha egijima nebhola lomlilo uyabona kanti ngosuku olulandelayo ekseni umfana uzofika kumina athi hayi izinto azihambi kahle egroundini abuze ukuthi malume ngingamisa kanjani ukuze izinto zami zihambe kahle egroundini uyabona ngisena kumfana ngambizela khona esibhodlweni ukuthi hayi awuze sobona ukuthi sizathatha sihlanganise naye nayi into engafika ngamnika yona esigodlweni umfana yayibona le umagijima le ungahamba uye kuphi uphinde ubuye angeke umthole umuntu ophatha lento bayithatha la. Umfana ngamnika lento. Ngamchazela nanokuthi isetshenziswa kanjani lento. Wayisebenzisa emva kwaloko umfana izinto zase zihamba kahle groundini. Naye ngamnika yona. Yodwa ayikho enye into engamnika yona.
Okay, boys, team talk, boys. As you guys know, captain always speaks. Let's get around.
All right, boys. Okay, let's play with passion. Let's play with power, and remember that the spirits are watching us from the train line. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Bro, I deserve so much better than this nonsense, eh?
Hey.
Yeah. Ako.